Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at my Kickerland folding step stool. So this is super helpful. I've got it here in my pantry area. As you can see, the pantry is kind of tall. If I want to get to these high shelves, it can be a little bit challenging. So here's my Kickerland step stool. Some things I like about it, it has these kind of grippy pieces on here that I think add good traction. Super sturdy. This can support 300 pounds. And as you can see, it can support me. It feels very solid. Not an issue to stand on this for me. And it gives me that extra height to get up to the top of my pantry. But here's the coolest thing about it. When I'm ready to fold it up and I don't want it to sit out here and block my door, so I'm going to get something from the lower part of the pantry, I just reach into the handle here, pull it up, the whole thing folds. Super easy, as you can see. And I just tuck it in here. And that whole stool, that again can support 300 pounds, just folds up into that tiny little space super easily. When I'm ready to use it again, pull it out. I just simply let it fall down, and I can stand on it again.